bomb site.
Unreal scenery. Heavy winds.
That is cold. That is cold. Oh yeah, fish on.
My phone and my car keys are soaking wet. Absolutely beautiful fish. What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another 24-hour challenge. We're on spin and fly. We've got 24 hours to try and catch our own food, solo camping in the Grampians. Let's get straight into it, try and catch some fish. I think we're gonna start off by doing a bit of fly fishing, and then we'll change to the spin and see if we can find some fish. That'll be the one. Gotta get some food. Let's go fishing. Just above waist deep now, and what we're going to be doing is casting out right towards that tree, get some nice big long casts. This is sinking line as well, so we want to get it as far out as possible, let it sink down and bring it back in. Ideally I should have brought my reel with floating line on, but we'll see how we go. Unreal scenery, unreal. Well, the water is extremely dirty. I'm now thinking that fly could be a huge challenge. I think it might be too muddy here. Our only option is to change location. And we have not got a campsite yet either. We need to sort ourselves out a campsite. Bit silly of me, really. I think we'll have one more cast here, and then we'll move around slightly and just see if we can find somewhere a little bit less muddy.
Well guys, we fished for hours and hours and hours. Did a lot of fishing, not a lot of catching. Could not find any fish.
Good morning.
No idea what was going on.
Up late again. Let's go fishing.
Everything was going wrong.
That was a rough night's sleep. It has been bloody windy and it's still very windy right now. It's time to get up.
Ready for some
Go and get
fishing
some
in
fish.
the morning.
Time to get up. I am bloody starving as well. Let's go fishing, try and get some food.
Look at this one's not afraid at all of me.
Hello, buddy.
Alright guys, well, to get where we want to go, we need to go back in slightly and then cut in through this bush if it's possible. Not sure that it is possible, to be honest, but we'll give it a go. Just got to get through and try and find the creek. Just can't hear it at the minute because the wind is blowing. You won't be able to hear a creek in the distance. And I've never fished this part before, so I'm not sure how far it is. I'm not going to get lost, I hope. Look at this. I think we'll push around a little bit further. I think the stream is just over that way. So let's carry on pushing through. Look at all these trees that have come down here recently in the storms. It's like a bomb site. Insane. Now I am being marginally careful because the wind is dying off at the minute, so I'm not worried about there being huge gusts coming through and taking more trees down. Not really sure where I'm going through this bit. I reckon just past that bit there, and then that's where the lake is, where the creek is, sorry. Let's just keep pushing. I think the waterway might have been a little bit easier. Maybe I should have gone that way. I think I can see the clearing up here. So that would be the creek. It'll be pumping at the minute as well. Come on, please be it. It's getting a lot more green, which I would believe that it would be coming up to the creek. Oh wow. Oh yeah, this would be epic. Well, let's see if there's any fish about. Look at this. This is one of the sickest trout fishing spots I've ever seen in my life. Absolutely perfect. Pretty cool spot, but no fish. Let's keep going. Beautiful. Fish from over this log. Look at this, unreal. Look at this pool up here, gotta be fish in there. We'll walk up to the far side and then we'll have a cast in there, see if we can find any fish. Oh yeah, fish on! Yes! I knew it! I knew there was going to be fish in here. Yes! Yes! Epic! Yes! Look at that! I knew it was worth it walking up here. Absolutely beautiful fish. Look at that for a fish. Yes! Epic! I'm going to keep on fishing, so this one's going back. Ooh. I'm going to keep on fishing, so this one's going back. Ooh. Off it goes. Epic. That was epic. What we've got here as well is another perfect little pool just behind us. We're going to have a fish in this one, see if we can find anything there. Sort of questioning why I let that trout go now, because I obviously have no food and that might be the only trout that we get. I think it was such a nice trout, big rainbow that was a nice big rainbow, so I wouldn't really want to keep it, which is fine I think. You know, I'm not in a real survival situation, so that fish can deserve to live and go back. We'll have another little fish and we might head back to the car, pack up camp and then carry on fishing for a little bit. Oh. That is cold. That is cold. That is in my phone. Oh no. I cannot tell you how cold that was. Just filled up right over my waders and filled up all my pockets as well. My phone and my car keys are soaking wet. What a mission this has been. Don't have my bloody sunglasses with me either. Oh, I was getting some touches then. Oh, it's made it all the way down to my feet as well now. That's freezing cold. Come on guys, where's the trout? Where's the trout? Heavy, heavy winds. It's blowing a gale. There is other species in here other than trout as well, so you never know. Well guys, we don't have too much longer left to fish. I've got my lovely wife back at home waiting for me to get back, and if I'm late, she might not approve of the next trip. So I think what we'll do is we'll just spend the next sort of 10-15 minutes just having a few more casts, seeing if we can find any fish. If not, then thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. I mean, mission half successful, mostly failed, but still a lot of fun. Get out there, find something you're passionate about, do it as much as possible. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.